said G, this beat is hype, I'm feeling it.
Word up, Cool Keep. Yeah, yo, more up. Tell them one more time how Cool Keep is built. Word up, I like that. One more time. Alright, yo, Keep, bust this. Tell them how you built it.
Now here's a funky beat. My rhyme is updated. For soft ducks, I played it once. A fighter jumped on it. Girls got stupid. And from the back, mostly with skill, top finesse, east to west. But I guess I'm right, while others are wrong. Trying to teach and using my song along with your wiggity whack. Stay back, get back, sit back down and think about it. Whenever you're dissing me, you are the roach, the six legs wishing me and pushing me steadily on. Metaphor, better for, psyche more. On my tour, brains are sore. I'll be sure I'm fresher. So tell me how I ducks. Whack rappers around. In town, never wearing no boots. Toy ballad, sharkskin suits with a story. And through his auditory, Canal Street is my territory. For gold glory, reaching my hand out to smack rappers and making them stand outside, waiting for me to tell them my secret style and show them how it really is done, my son. Now I'm back to you, and if you're bad, I'll smack you through a glass of rhymes, shattering. Now you cut up, say what up, shut up, cause I'm feeling it.
That was dope.
What up, is I'm running America about right now. What's up with Said Jig?
Yo, Said, you ready to get on? Tell me how you feel? Yeah, word up, watch this, man. I'ma do this. I might as well go do this, right? Definitely. Alright, do it. Hello, I'm back again. It's Said G, the champion. I'm balancing wisdom over all topics. I'm the chief, the general prophet. Topping all the ducks who are delirious about rhyming. I'm more serious like this. With twists, changes, I took time and rearranged this style. Like how versatile, you ask me now. Wow, I'm like Ching Ching Chow, the movie you seen on TV. I'll be humorous, but believe me, I'll chop you up, back your brain, rotate your liver. Then I'm gonna give you a fresh rhyme made, sealed and delivered by me, the manufacturer. Straight out of Attica, I come after you. And if you run, I have to damage you mentally by using my mind. Choosing adjectives hard to define in rhymes. A dictionary word feast from the brainiac. I blew your dome piece open, hoping you'll say to me that was dope. Like an anatomy operation on the turntables, slicing nerves with birds fully enabled, equipped with a white handkerchief to wipe away the germs. You wanna hang with this ultra smoker, dope man, no joker. With the lines I wrote and I quote her, cause I'm feeling it. I feel it. One more time, man.
Just another boogie down Bronx sure shot.
Word up. 4-3 mission posse in effect. To my man Tim Sally from the Valley, my next door neighbor, Hollywood House family. All the whole 9 crew, Webster, everybody.
Brother Kevy Kev.
Brother Kevy Kev is in effect.
Yo, Calvin, what's up?
Jungle Brothers, Violators, the whole family.
London.
We out.